Last one, acetophenone. So the starting compound is benzene. The starting compound is benzene. It reacts with CH3COCl, which is called acetyl chloride. It is called acetyl chloride. So it is called acetyl chloride. The COCH3 is attached in this place. Then acetophenone is formed. COCH3, which is called acetophenone. So another one is, or this reaction is also, so it is the benzene plus CH3COOCOCH3, which is called acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So with acetic anhydride, the bond is broken here in this place. It is added to in this place. Then acetophenone is formed. COCH3, which is called acetophenone. So from benzene to acetophenone, we will get by reacting with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. So is the answer. Thank you. Please subscribe.